Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Toyota Camry. We're talking about this generation right here, guys. This is from year 2015, 16 and 17. If you have one of those, you need to find where the fuses for the Maf sensor, also known as mass airflow sensor, which fuses you need to check for that, where they're located, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, and why it's important, guys, to always test fuses and relays. All that, guys, will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, engines, transmission. We show you how to do practically almost anything, guys. We even do body works. We have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now, on Toyota Camry, guys, Camry, if you have that generation, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do all that? Due to the fact that if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located because your car cannot start. You can just watch that video, 1-2 minutes, you replace that fuse, that relay, you're back on the road and you're back in business, guys, because otherwise, if you don't have your service manual, it could be really complicated. Sometimes it's hard to find. There is abbreviations that most people do not know, so we try to make it really convenient for you. Another thing, guys, if you need to buy parts, tools, fuses, relays, okay, you see that you have all these different kinds of fuses, guys, okay? You have different kinds of relays. You have these special fuses, by the way, that look like this one here. Check this thing out. We will put the links in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time. So let's start on it now. So now, guys, the Maf sensor, okay, fuses, where you can expect to find them, we'll demonstrate on this 2017 Toyota Camry. You guys have two different fuse boxes in this car, and we will need to work in just one that's located under the hood. Go ahead, open the hood. You will face the engine, guys, and on the right side, right here, under that cover is the main engine fuse box. Go ahead, open that cover. You will see that fuse box layout that we have right here. Now, before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. You may have, guys, up to 2 different fuses that you need to check for the mass airflow sensor. If you have problems with the mass airflow sensor, check these fuses first before dropping money on new sensor, guys. That's our advice. The first one that you need to check, it's a very important fuses for multiple things, but one of them is the mass airflow sensor right here, fuse number 28. That's a 30 amp fuse. Then you need to check 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Fuse number 33 as well right here, 20 amp fuse in our case. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.